Неожиданно.
The Kremlin is being fenced off after the drone attack. Official version. Preparations for the 9th of May parade. People can be seen on the roof of Senate Palace, which was damaged in the drone attack.
С этой стороны тоже не пускают на Красную площадь. Близко. Ребят не пускают, да? А как объясняют? Почему?
Парад, подготовка к параду до 10-го не пускают.
Все, понял, спасибо. Человек 10, а вон ползают что-то там. А что делают? На оптике видно у вас?
Не знаю, что там смотрят.
Что-то все перекрывает, всю площадь.
Putin's cortege was spotted near the Kremlin. Zelensky's statement on the Russian drone attack accusations.
We don't attack Putin or Moscow. We fight on our territory. We are defending our villages and cities. We don't have, enough weapon for this. That's why we don't use it anywhere. For us, that is the deficit. We can't spend it. And we didn't attack Putin. We leave it to tribunal.
U.S. will not criticize strikes on Russian territory, says Blinken.
On leadership during this war by Ukraine or other combatants?
Well, first, I've seen the reports. I can't in any way validate them. We simply don't know. Second, I would take anything coming out of the Kremlin with a very large shaker of salt. So let's see. We'll see what the facts are. And it's really hard to comment or speculate on this without really knowing what the facts are. More generally, as I've said and as we've said, when it comes to Ukraine, which is under daily assault, and not just its incredibly courageous military forces, but its citizens, its men, women, and children being assaulted on a daily basis by this Russian aggression, being bombed out of their homes, their apartments, and their streets, children killed, families torn apart. Well, we leave it to Ukraine to decide how it's going to defend itself and how it's going to try to get back the territory that's been seized from it illegally by Russia over the past 14 months and going back to 2014, back to then.
So to clarify, if Ukraine decided on its own to strike back in Russian territory, the United States would not criticize them.
Again, these are decisions for Ukraine to make about how it's going to defend itself, how it's going to get its territory back, how it's going to restore its territorial integrity and its sovereignty.
A friendly reminder from Captain HIMARS, to whom it may concern. P.S. There hasn't been a single HIMARS system destroyed so far. Want to know why?
Русский солдат, меня зовут капитан Хаймарс, и я держу свое слово. Я не бью по располагам тех секторов, откуда я получаю координаты бронетехники из складов с БК. Тебе продолжают врать, что Хаймарсов практически не осталось. Посмотри, в каких условиях мы храним на оттяжке Хаймарсы. Это военные объекты, построенные еще в Советском Союзе. Им не страшны даже ядерные удары. С начала войны не было уничтожено ни одной системы Хаймарс. Русский солдат, продолжай отправлять мне координаты целей, и тогда смерть не обрушится на тебя с неба. В огонь!
And again, an oil refinery is on fire in Russia's Kuban. Apparently heard 3 explosions before the fire. 1 tank is on fire minimum. Combined arms calling? Members of the Ukrainian 1st Panzer Brigade train on their German Leopard 2, A6 main battle tanks at a military training area in western Ukraine. A US 155mm M109 Paladin, self-propelled howitzer can also be seen briefly in the background.
Польща, Німеччина, Британія та Норвегія вже передали Україні сучасні панцерники. В уряді ж очікують, що незабаром доїдуть обіцяні танки і від інших країн.
And this is how you move through mud with a little help. This is filmed in Russian Yekaterinburg. 3 tanks, the rest is for infantry. More scrap metal is going to the front. A convoy of at least 10 MR2 Victor anti-drone systems in Ukraine. The Victor is a 14, 5x 114mm ZPU-2 on a Toyota Land Cruiser 70 chassis, manufactured in Czechia by Excalibur Army. Emster-2 is equipped with day and night optics, as well as a direct fire sight. In total, Ukraine will receive 115 of these systems, ready to respond within 48 hours, whenever and wherever needed. See the NATO's Quick Reaction Force.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.